Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Chamla Sachin Dhepe from A.G. Patil Polytechnic Institute, Sholapur. For today's Day 5 activity, I have selected COVID-19 pandemic awareness as a social video. Let us see further about this video. So, let us understand about the COVID-19. So, COVID-19 is coronavirus disease 2019. It is caused by a virus named as SARS-CoV-2. What are the common symptoms of that COVID-19? Common symptoms are fever, cough, difficulty in breathing. These are the symptoms of COVID-19. If you have these and you are a contact of a laboratory confirmed positive case, immediately call the State Helpline or Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India for further help. Now, let us see how to prevent. Prevention safe practices in the community. There are the various prevention practices. First is hand hygiene, respiratory hygiene, social distancing and high risk group. So in this video we are going to cover only the hand hygiene. So before to proceed hand hygiene, we will see the mode of transmission. First, suppose he is the infected person, sneeze and cough by infected person, infected droplets are coming out. That infected droplets get on your hand. While meeting or shaking your hands, these infected droplets are transferred to your hands and this fellow also get the infected. Or another mode of transmission is, suppose this person is infected, while sneezing and coughing, droplets coming out. These are on his hand also, on this object also, metallic part also. While when you are going to come in contact with that object, it is infected droplets are coming on your hand also and you also get the infected. So how to prevent? First one is hand hygiene. What is hand hygiene? Hand hygiene is the way of cleaning one's hand that substantially reduces potential pathogens, that is harmful germs on the hands. Hand hygiene procedure includes hand washing with soap and water at least for 40 seconds or use of 70% alcohol based hand rubs. See here what to do and what not to do. Do wash your hands often with soap and water for at least for the 40 seconds. Especially after you have been in a public place or after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing. Or use a hand sanitizer which is at least 70% alcohol based. If soap and water not available, cover all the surfaces of your hands and rub them together until they feel dry. And what not to do? Don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth with unwashed hands. Do not touch surfaces like doorknobs and doorbells, elevator door buttons, handrails, support handles, chair backs, ATM surfaces, mobiles, etc. So always precaution is better than cure. So for the precaution at home, you can take the mint leaves or you can use the clove, that is lavang, or if you have more symptoms of the COVID, then consult your doctor. Thank you for this PPT, My Government Corona News Desk on Telegram. I also thank IIT Bombay and SKNCOE Pune. Thank you. Thank you very much.